myself. Fuck a nigga, I ain't never need no feature on me. Stove hot, water boiling. The crackers hit the door and we gon' flush it down the toilet. If you owe me, better pay me or I'm pushing up extortion. Them niggas know I step on shit.
Oh, you finna spin that bit, probably. Oh, yeah, he finna spin that bit. Oh, you finna spin that bit.
Oh, we gotta go down.
Yeah, he finna
to see that bitch shake.
spin that shit too, boy. He finna spin that bit. Go on there, nigga. Come on, cuz, you need to spin that bit. Spin that bitch too.
Yeah. Oh, he about to spin that?
You about to spin that bitch?
Everybody's spinning that.
What the fuck? I said that first.
Yeah.
I did.
Third, fourth motherfucker spinning.
They got the flow smoking and shit.
You got the ground burning. You got the ground burning. That's not all the rubber right there, boy. Yeah, straight. Rubber on that bitch. Bro, I know it.
You hear that big cooking?
Yeah.
That boy later.
For real.
Shit, y'all churn that bit. I'm not touching that bit.
That bitch hot as fuck.
He got that wheel, bitch. Yeah. Cuz got that wheel. He finna launch that. Oh, no way. Nah, I don't think he can swing that bit. Nah. Is it like all-wheel drive? Yeah. He can't swing that. You can, but you gotta pull a fuse on that bit. Oh, shit. I think, bro.
Hold on. I thought you was finna skip that.
You can't spin the track, cuz. busting his ass. He was spinning up. He said, "How was that?"
Oh my God! Look at that shit. Show that shit. Oh, look, that's so
Oh shit, I'm bad, man. That shit right there look hard as fuck. Yeah, you gotta teach me how to edit. Get my video right. It's not hard. This shit. They're looking at that. Oh, yeah. That bitch got that bitch on the roof and all. God damn. He make the shit himself. This you? That shit hard. This a RT? Yeah. You can't even tell it's RT. You can't even tell. Yeah. Come over here.